Welcome back to the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show, and today's show is called Dr. Jeffrey Tauth's Wasney and Magnesium's Hidden Heart Powers. And trust me, it's juicier than your cousin's peach cobbler. What if I told you that the racing heart that wakes you up at 3 a.m. could be fixed with a mineral most people are missing? I'm talking about magnesium, the overlooked heart protector hiding in plain sight. And folks, this isn't some snake oil nonsense. This is rock-solid science that could change your life tonight. Here's something that'll blow your mind. 75% of Americans are magnesium deficient without even knowing it. Yep, entirely true. I can't make this stuff up. We're walking around like cars running on 3 cylinders, wondering why our hearts are acting like they're auditioning for a drum solo in a heavy metal band. You see, our modern processed foods have stripped away this crucial mineral faster than a tornado through a trailer park. Your heart muscle needs magnesium like a fish needs water to maintain that steady, reliable rhythm. Without it, you get electrical misfires that cause those heart palpitations that make you think you're having the big one. Now, I call magnesium the miracle mineral for palpitations, and here's why. Magnesium acts like nature's own calcium channel blocker. That's the fancy way of saying it helps your heart cells chill out between beats. Think of it like this. If calcium is the gas pedal for your heart, magnesium is the brake pedal. You need both, but without magnesium, you're basically driving downhill with no brakes. The science here is absolutely fascinating. Clinical studies show that 300 to 400 milligrams daily reduces irregular heartbeats by 60%. 60%! If I could reduce your mortgage payments by 60%, you'd probably name your firstborn after me. Let me tell you about Sarah. She's 45, and for months she had nightly heart racing that would wake her up like a smoke alarm with a dying battery. She made multiple ER visits, and every single test came back normal. The doctors kept telling her she was fine, but Sarah knew something wasn't right. Sound familiar? Maybe I should see you in the clinic. We need to talk. So Sarah started taking 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate before bed. Within 2 weeks, and I mean exactly 2 weeks, she was sleeping peacefully with a steady heartbeat. 6 months later, completely palpitation-free. She went from thinking she was dying every night to sleeping like a baby. But here's where it gets even better. Magnesium doesn't just stop at palpitations. This mineral is like a Swiss Army knife for your cardiovascular system. It lowers blood pressure naturally, reduces inflammation in your blood vessels, improves sleep quality, which protects your heart health, and works synergistically with potassium for optimal heart function. It's like getting a 5-course meal when you ordered just the appetizer. Think about it this way. Your heart beats about 100,000 times per day. That's like doing 100,000 push-ups every single day without a break. Without adequate magnesium, it's like trying to do those push-ups while someone's poking you with a cattle prod. Not exactly sustainable, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Dr. Tauth, if this stuff is so amazing, why isn't everyone talking about it? Well, here's the truth that'll make you madder than a wet hen. There's no big money in promoting a mineral that costs pennies per dose. The pharmaceutical industry can't patent magnesium, so there's no marketing budget pushing this information. But you know what? That's exactly why I'm here talking to you today. This is real medicine, folks. This is what your great-grandmother would have called common sense wrapped up in modern science. So here's what I want you to do tonight. And I mean tonight, not next Monday when you're feeling motivated. Start with 200 milligrams of magnesium glycinate with dinner. Track your heart symptoms for 1 week. Write it down, put it in your phone, tattoo it on your forehead if you have to. Then, if you are tolerating it well, gradually increase to 400 milligrams. Magnesium glycinate is my preferred form because it's gentle on your stomach and absorbs like a dream. Stay away from magnesium oxide. That's about as useful as a screen door on a submarine for absorption. This has been the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show. Until next time, stay healthy, and remember, if you're looking for answers, check out drjeffreytauth.us.com. Later, y'all.